Welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing display apps in Windows 10, step by step. If you find our tutorials helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Method 1. Enable Show Desktop Icons feature. Step 1. First, right-click on an empty space on your desktop. Step 2. Next, hover over View in the context menu that appears. Step 3. Now click Show Desktop Icons. If there's no check mark next to it, clicking it will make your icons visible. If it's already checked but your icons are missing, uncheck and then recheck it. Method 2. Check Desktop Icon Settings. Step 1. Click on the Start button. Step 2. Select Settings. Step 3. Then click on Personalization. Step 4. Next, choose Themes. Step 5. In the Related Settings section, select Desktop Icon Settings. Step 6. Check the box next to the icons you want to display, then choose Apply and OK. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.